Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best silicone candle molds is probably one of the most versatile and easy-to-use tools for candle making enthusiasts and beginners alike, allowing you to create unique and personalized candles with a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and designs, transforming your creative vision into stunning, fragrant realities, perfect for adding a touch of elegance and ambience to any room or event, and making wonderful gifts for friends and family. Number 5. Silicone Resin Molds 5 PCS. These versatile molds are perfect for crafting unique resin pieces. They're made of high-quality silicone, making them easy to use and clean. The durable silicone material ensures easy release of your creations. It's flexible, smooth, and reusable for countless projects. This set includes 5 different shapes: sphere, cube, pyramid, square, and round. You'll have endless possibilities for your resin art. Simply twist the mold to release your finished pieces. Clean them easily with soap and water, and store them away from direct sunlight and dust. Use them with epoxy resin, soap, candles, or other casting materials. They are perfect for DIY enthusiasts and resin crafting beginners. We stand behind the quality of our molds. Contact us if you have any questions or concerns. We're here to help. What we like. This mold set offers a variety of shapes to suit your creative needs. Its easy-to-clean design saves you time and effort. If you enjoy experimenting with different crafts and materials, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Thick walls, good quality, glossy finish. Easy on first try. They are great to use with epoxy. They turn out shiny and beautiful. These are great for beginners and easy to use. Washing them is also easy and the silicone doesn't wear off after using it. Number 4. 3-pack silicone soap molds. These versatile molds are perfect for creating beautiful, handmade soaps. They're easy to use and clean, making soap making a breeze. With a total of 18 cavities across 3 molds, you'll have plenty of space to experiment with different shapes and colors. Get creative and make unique gifts. This set includes 1 square mold and 2 flower-shaped molds, offering a variety of options for your soap-making projects. The perfect size for individual soaps or small gifts. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, it's safe for use with soap, chocolate, and other edibles. They are also heat-resistant, flexible, and durable for long-lasting use. The non-stick surface makes releasing your creations a snap. Just a gentle push, and your soaps will pop right out, perfectly formed. These molds aren't just for soap. Use them to make chocolates, desserts, cakes, and more. The possibilities are endless. What we like. With its multiple cavities, you can create many pieces at once. It's made from food-grade silicone, ensuring safety and quality. If you're looking for efficiency and peace of mind, this mold is ideal. What people say. These worked really well for our first time making soaps. The flowers were especially beautiful. The silicone molds were also nice and big. The perfect size we were looking for our project. Very pleasantly surprised at the quality of these molds. Clean and clear shapes. I feel these will be used for a long time without issue. I bought this mold for making soap. I made some yesterday. They came out beautifully. The mold is great. Number 3. BBDINO Silicone Mold Making Kit 30A. It has a simple 1-to-1 mix ratio by volume, no weighing needed. This kit comes with 2 perfectly sized bottles for easy measuring and pouring. This low-viscosity silicone is easy to mix and pour. No vacuum chamber is required for degassing, saving you time and effort. It has a 30-minute working time and cures completely in just 3 to 4 hours at room temperature. A heat cure can speed up the process even further. This generous 1-gallon kit is perfect for both art and industrial applications. You'll have plenty of material for multiple projects. It's safe to use with various materials like resins, wax, gypsum, concrete, and soap. Plus, it's odorless, non-toxic, and easy to clean up. It boasts a long shelf life of over a year, so you can easily save any leftover material for future use. The vibrant blue color helps ensure even mixing. What we like. This large volume kit is perfect for big projects. The low viscosity silicone is easy to mix and pour. If you need a large quantity of silicone for your mold making endeavors, this is the one for you. What people say. It was so incredibly easy to measure mix. It poured into my handmade forms with ease, completely coating every nook and cranny. They claim it is self-degassing, and it totally was. Absolutely no bubbles, micro bubbles to be seen. The mold is very sturdy and durable as well. No cure inhibition. I've bought this more than once and I'll continue to do so when making molds of 3D printed items. Works great and I've not had a need to look anywhere else. Very sturdy and flexible silicone. Resists tearing also. I single pour casted large items and cut aside to remove. I've casted over 100 items in cement and they have not torn from either details in the cast or stretched the cut for removal. Number 2. Silicone Candle Molds 2-pack. These versatile molds are perfect for candle making and so much more. Made from high-quality silicone, they're durable and reusable. It's made of durable silicone, flexible and reusable, withstanding temperatures from -40°F to +446°F. Safe for ovens, microwaves, and freezers. You get 2 silicone molds in this pack. They're not just for candles, use them for soap, candy, chocolate, and more. 2 different sizes are available. Mold A is 5 by 6.2 centimeters and Mold B is 6 by 5.5 centimeters. They're perfectly sized for a variety of creations. The flexible silicone makes releasing your creations a breeze. Simply push from the bottom and they pop right out. Cleaning is easy too, just wash with soap and water or put them in the dishwasher. Unleash your creativity with these molds. Use them to make candles, soaps, candies, and more. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This set includes 2 unique molds for diverse creations. The flexible silicone makes releasing your finished product a breeze. If you value versatility and ease of use, this mold set is perfect for you. What people say. Very nice and detailed mold. The mold quality is really good. It has a lower sheen than some molds but really fun. Fairly easy to get the figure out. They're adorable, easy for a first-time candle maker to use. Use a silicone to seal the wick and the wire provides an easy pull-through. Number 1. Silicone Heart Wax Melt Molds. It's made from high-quality, food-grade silicone. This means it's safe, non-toxic, and BPA-free, perfect for creating delicious treats. With 55 individual heart shapes, you'll have plenty to share or keep for yourself. Each mold is the perfect size for candies, wax melts, or even ice cubes. Simply pour your mixture in, let it set, and pop them out. Cleaning is a breeze, just rinse with warm water and it's ready for your next creation. They can handle temperatures from -40°F to 446°F, making them safe for the oven, freezer, and even the dishwasher. Use them for so many different things. These molds are perfect for making candies, chocolates, wax melts, ice cubes, and so much more. Unleash your creativity and make something special. It comes with a handy dropper to help you easily fill each mold. No more messy spills or uneven fillings. What we like. This mold makes 55 mini hearts at once, perfect for large batches. Made from food-grade silicone, it's safe and easy to clean. If you need a large quantity of identical items, this mold is your best bet. What people say. Embeds remove quickly. Very durable. The hearts come out very pretty and it was easy to remove the wax melts. This is really easy to use, the hearts pop out easily and doesn't make a mess at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.